Diamonders, welcome back to my channel. How does one even start a giveaway video? Yo guys, I'm doing a giveaway, yeah! I've been doing YouTube for about 2 years now, and ever since the start, your support has been amazing. We had each other's backs during the good days and even the bad days. Honestly, without you guys, I wouldn't have been able to create content and pursue my dream. I recently watched one of my first vlogs, this one to be exact. No joke, in December of the year 2018, I had only 67 subscribers. And at the time, I was gassed about it. And now, in a good week, we get like 70, 80, 90 subscribers. What? That's insane. And therefore, I want to give back to you guys. Well, at least one lucky subscriber. I guess I should also say what I'm giving away. I will be giving away the Skullcandy Smokin buds too. It isn't much, but you know, it's a start. And hopefully in the future, I will be able to do many more giveaways. And no, this is not a paid promotion, although I wish it was. So, Skullcandy, if you're watching this, I love your headphones. Please sponsor me. Now, how do you enter the giveaway? Step 1. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to do so. And if you're already subscribed, you're my boy or girl. Step 2, drop a like on this video. Step 3, follow me on Instagram at Dominic_Neubauer and send me a fire emoji. Step 4, and this is the final step. Comment on this video saying done and say which video of mine is your favorite and why. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I have a midterm exam next week and my retake exams in 3 weeks, so I will not be uploading until after my exams. So you have time until then to participate in this giveaway. And I will announce the winner in my next video. Good luck, and once again, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for almost 3,000 subscribers, and I will see you guys on the next one. See ya!